And with that, we come to our lunch break. We come to our lunch break. We will be coming here at sharp 2 p.m. and we'll resume our the session. The other sessions will be resuming by 2 p.m. sharp. So please be here. Thank you. And don't forget to visit our startup showcase. I request everyone, I hope you're done with the lunch, and I request everyone to kindly come inside and take your seats. We will be starting the sessions in next 5 minutes. Thank you. And outside, I request everyone outside to kindly join us in the ballroom. We are about to begin. Kindly join us and please settle down. Thank you. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you all had a very good and enjoyable lunch and a very productive conversation with your fellow colleagues over here. We'll now move on to our next segment, and because I know that you must be a little bit, ऐसे थोड़ा नींद में है वगैरह, lunch करके आए हैं, dessert अच्छे से खाया है. So we'll start with a bang-on session only. We'll start with our own startups who will give you the most innovative solutions, who will let you know how they are solving the real-world challenges. And we'll move on to the third segment of our high-impact startup showcase, so that you all give complete attention to that. And we'll now move ahead with the third round. And the features featuring startups will be Botminds.ai, Datakriti, and TraceRT. I'm sure some of you might have already interacted with them during lunch and tea break. So here they're going to present you the deep, in-depth idea of what they are doing. And I hope all the startup presenters are ready. As you already know that you will be given 6 minutes in total. And at the 4 minute, when the 4 minutes are over, you will have a reminder buzzer to complete in next 2 minutes. Okay? First one is Botminds.ai.
Hello.
I think we should have the energy to clap, right?
Yeah.
थोड़ा carbs तो खाया होगा ना तो yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, leaders. So I'm Gokul Ganapati, co-founder and CEO of Botminds. We are at 2026. We are truly into the AI era. No more, saying AI going to come or Gen AI, agentic AI. Now AI everywhere. And unless otherwise you are under the rock for last 2-3 years, everyone know AI is ruling the world almost. But even with this AI abundance, it's right to say AI abundance. Like now you have a lot of agentic AI developers and agents and people talking about 10-year long project, wipe coded within 2 days or within 2 hours. So we are literally in the AI abundance now. But still, there are reports like, sorry, maybe can you help next? Yeah, thank you. Still, we also see 95% of projects are failed or trapped in pilot stage or not going to production. Here, I can see a lot of enterprise leaders, you can understand this problem very well. It's all good. One person, wipe codes and shows that right in the meeting. You can even get some wow from the business users. But when it comes to putting in production, making that real ROI, it gets stuck. It gets, you are unearthing completely new problem. That is because of the regulatory requirements. That's because the enterprise operations are not just people coming together and doing something. It is because regulated enterprise operations. You have to comply to some of the conditions and constraints needed to serve to your end customers or to serve to your regulatory authorities. That is where the real rubber meets the road moment. It's all rosy, but when it goes to productionizing, then the regulations and the compliances and all the other things comes. You cannot operate on a patient with a 95% accurate ChatGPT result, right? You cannot sign or approve a claim request by going with some recommendation from AI. That's where the real challenge. And that's the gap between the reality and the vision. Okay. When 95% fails, it's not because of the technological issues or technology not there, because technology already there. It's already there to the level of 2050. But it is because the regulations we have not yet figured out how to meet those regulations. The failure to regulation is what the real challenge. Now, what we are solving at Botminds now, because everyone understands, I don't have to emphasize too much, what we are doing. We are in this space for close to 10 years now. We started as a document AI company. We understood, we are working with a lot of enterprises, especially regulated. We understood why it fails. So what we have now is an agentic AI platform purpose-built for regulated enterprise operations. When you say regulated enterprise operations, you should not, after getting that success or sign up from business users, you should not think about, hey, how to bring that auditability, how to bring that traceability, how to bring that logging, how to bring that single sign-on, how to bring that RBAC, how to bring that data residency, there are hundreds of things. So this all should be the pre-built things. That's what we have in Botminds. And for example, you magically get that sign-off end-to-end for one vendor, and then the other process should not go through that entire hill again. You need one single governed platform using which you can automate all these risk, governance, and operations and compliance things. It means even after production, for example, you're seeing a drift in the LLM performance, or you are expecting some more better performance in LLM, you need a comfortable way of doing this version upgrades, all those stuff. That's what we are solving in Botminds AI platform. Botminds AI platform is a purpose-built platform for regulated enterprise operations. You will hear this again and again in the next 10 years or 20 years going forward, because now everyone understands AI. Everyone understands it's only because of regulatory things it's not yet achieved that full potential. So that's the problem we are solving. And also, the three kind of solution, because a lot of confusion about what kind of use cases can be solved in enterprise using these powerful LLMs, new magic wand we got. With our experience, we can say, hey, in an enterprise, first thing you have to do is unleash your data to all the users. You have a lot of data. Data are sitting in different silos, SQLs or Oracles or SharePoints and storages. First thing you have to unleash, you have to make it available for everyone. So people should be able to ask questions. The same ChatGPT experience they should get in enterprise in a regulated manner. Now, that is available with Botminds. You can give that solution within a day. Any complex data, we have all the connectors. You connect, you can give that, talk to data experience, asking. More importantly, when you ask questions, if you are getting answer, you should know from where you got that answer, what kind of reasoning it went in, all those traceability, it's available in the thing. And then second step, as a level 2 solution. Okay, in one day you solve that agentic search, and what is the next? Already there are processes in enterprise where people are coming together and doing those, step-by-step process as a, enterprise process. RPA tried, intelligent automation tried, what's next here? Now you have to convert those processes or reimagine and re-agentify with humans and agents working together. That's also possible with our platform, where you can define what are the steps and you can connect through. Some nodes are handled by humans, some nodes are handled by some external system called through MCPs, some nodes are handled by agents, independent agents, multi-agents. That is possible with the agentic automation system. But even further, it is not, that is not the only thing you need. When you get into enterprises, you need a control plane. For example, there are hundreds of different processes. How you can give those kind of visibility, dashboard and insights and common co-pilot kind of experience. It is not possible if you don't have that one single common plane. That's what we bring. We call it a level 3 solution. That's the kind of nirvana to the enterprises, where a CXO logs in, he can ask question, or operation leader asks. Yeah, that's also possible with Botminds AI platform. So that's what we do at Botminds. Agentic search in a day or two, agentic automation in a week or 2 weeks, agentic system maybe a month or two. You will have that complete transformed enterprise, built for the real agentic era, agentic AI era. Now, I talked about 3 solutions. I talked about agentic AI platform, but you may have doubts. Hey, I have a use case. I'm thinking about a use case. I'm already doing some POCs. That's exactly you can solve. Can you help next? Sorry? No, last one slide. Okay, if that's okay. So you can visit our booth and you can have a quick assessment. You just one line you have to enter about your use case. You don't have to detail 10 lines or 10 paragraphs. Just one line about the use case using the form. Immediately we can give you a detailed assessment report, codified all the knowledge, all the experience we got. It's actually codified and exposed as a GPT for you to use. And that report you can immediately use. And if we can flash that QR code, they can scan and go to that. Otherwise, something wrong. Okay, so please visit our booth, where you can quickly use the application to get that assessment report for the use case you are thinking. Thanks a lot. Thanks for the opportunity for the NASCOM and the team.